Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with this very pretty ombre, colorful ombre cut crease. So this video is, I'm not gonna say it's like difficult, but I did use like a lot of palettes, so I do apologize for that. If you guys want to watch me create this look, then make sure you keep watching. Today I'm priming with my LA Girl concealer in medium beige, in pure beige. Now I'm going to take the matte black from my 39. This is not even it. You know what? I didn't even use this. I used the James Charles palette. So I'm going to take my James Charles palette and take the matte black and pack that into my crease using the E17. To blend this out, I'm taking my Take Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to take this blue and blend out the outer half. For the first part, I'm going to take the light purple using the same M506 that I just used for the blue. I'm gonna go back into the blue. I took some of the blue from the matte book. Like I said, I literally hopped to like 10 different palettes, but I took this blue right here and put it on top of there. That's why having so many colorful palettes is important, because there are so many different shades of every color and you'll be sitting up thinking they're the same and they're really not. That's really why I just got this new Morphe palette, so we can see. Okay, I'm gonna add some more black. So I'm gonna go in with some more purple because I feel like it kind of got mixed in too much with the black. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease really quick. I'm gonna go back in with the black and blend out both corners or both sides. So I'm gonna use a shimmery blue first, and then this light green, the yellow, the pink, and then this purple. Okay, the yellow actually came through for me today, not even gonna lie. sorry this video is like all over the place, but I'm going to take an angle brush and trace out my crease with some black eyeshadow. I'm going to line my waterline with some black eyeliner. And using the same purple from earlier from the James Charles palette, I'm going to smoke that out underneath where we put the black. Taking my Princesa Azteca palette, sorry it's kind of white, but I'm taking this gold shimmery eyeshadow and I'm going to pop that in that inner corner. And to highlight the rest of my face, I'm going to take my Root Pro Balloons palette and grab this color right here. So that's it for this look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this look, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more looks, and I will see you guys in my next video.